little artists! Are you ready to draw something super cute today? Let's draw a rainbow-colored dress together.
Yay!
Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. First, grab your black marker. Let's start with the top part of the dress. Draw a small shirt shape, nice and neat. Now let's draw a belt. Just a thin line across the waist. Great job! Time to draw the lower part of the dress. Let's make it in 3 big sections to look like a flared skirt. And guess what? Let's draw a cute heart right in the middle of the chest. Aw, adorable! Nice job, everyone! Our dress drawing is complete. Let's go over the outline again to make it bold and sharp so it really pops. Awesome, isn't it?
Yay!
Now it's time to color. We're going to use rainbow colors. Get your pens ready. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Well done!
Wow!
Our rainbow dress looks fantastic! Great job, artists! If you had fun, don't forget to like and follow Toddlers Art Hub for more cute drawings every week!
Yay!
Don't forget to like and subscribe! See you in the next video!